Before we start this video, I want you to check out Tash DIY. This is a YouTuber who I have a whole heap of respect for. She do her thing. Her channel very creative. Go over there, subscribe. Make sure you know it's a razor blade. Send you. Listen, no, man. Just deal with the thing, no, man. Now let's start the video. See what that say? We have dinner 7 o'clock. But we're ready though. My wife almost done put together herself. You see it? You see it?
Babe, where this are these?
Babe, oh my god, babe. Babe, you're alright in that, babe. No, babe, no, I don't want to see that.
You don't like it?
No.
Oh my guys, this is so nice.
Babe, we don't have the time for that right
I
now.
have the white.
It doesn't matter. Babe, you look good in that already.
Alright, let's look up perf.
Oh, Jesus.
And that's it. Done.
See there? Simple. Simple. You know we got already on my foot. And the shoes today, but you know what I prefer already. Yeah, shirt is nice. Rate it out of 10, 1 to 10. With 7 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. You know when I take no L. Babe, do you have to do though? The people them call we and say don't be late, babe. Jesus, my savior. 10 minutes to 7. Don't mind in your because right now in your look like I also will live for next month. But it's dinner night, you know, so we're gonna have some food. I can't remember the type of restaurant we're going to. But I love when we just find out things one time. I love for always talk about stuff. I could just go and find where we are fine and just take my advice. See. Bring your plate, bring your fork, bring your knife, bring your spoon, and come have some food with me. We're gonna have some food together. The squad anniversary is gonna be late, right? May I drink alcohol from money? I just feel fully sober.
I'm here now.
Oh wow.
This is it, guys. The ring, check out the rings. I got a little surprise for you, you know.
Oh.
So you gotta follow me.
Alright, we're gonna follow you.
So follow me.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll lead the way, you know.
Alright.
I'm coming down right here, you know. I'm coming down. Happy anniversary!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Mom, alright.
Yeah,
I've been looking for you guys so long. It's crazy. Can she tell me I look for you all long? I'm gonna see you now.
No, where you come, where you come? Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I'm going to you. No, I'm going to see.
So they're gonna fight now. Alright, big up here.
But I'll come and check on you guys.
You should.
Look here, you're not going to fight for them. I'm going to have them locked. Bye. Come along with me. See you guys soon.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
She don't get I need to see her right now. I need to see her enjoy right now. I'm not seeing them tonight. Like on my night.
You say you have a thing locked tonight. No, like over the side too.
Yeah,
What's
they
that
have
nice?
a lot of different a la cartes. They have the nice restaurant, which is the steakhouse, and you have the Dolce Vita, which is the Italian.
Dolce Vita, I did for this last night, but
yeah, it was open this way.
okay.
It was open last night.
Okay.
And then you have Mikado, which is the Japanese.
Yeah, the one we just step past.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is where I got you tonight.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh my God. So pretty. Can I tell you about it, girl? So this heart is for you. It represents you. That's the heart of love.
Oh yeah, say.
She will stop in the middle now.
True, go to the plan.
Stop in the middle. You saw me can't get do. Ooh, lovely. You choose a seat. One for the lady. One.
You can sit right here. Seriously, babe. Wait, we need to make them hear who take care of for the night.
Yeah, man, you need to make them know who take care of for the night.
Do the honors, boob.
Sophia. Where there? Want me to call her Miss Sophia? Sophia? No, Sophia. Yes, and I also have your bottle of champagne, well chill. Ooh, there you go. Thank you. Yeah, man, that one is on me.
Oh, thank you.
Right.
Alright guys, so we are at our dinner setup and big shout out to Sophia
And Kashim.
and Kashim.
Yeah.
Leave out Kashim.
Never left for
Oh
Kashim.
my god, Kashim, I'm so sorry. Thanks for the champagne. Really appreciate it. You make one night really special. Because normally, me I had a surprise him and him I had a surprise me.
Oh my
but
God.
this time around, both away. You know, I
Yeah,
look forward to something together. So thank you so much.
Pleasure is always mine.
Alright. So this is our first dinner outside beside water.
Yes.
Oh yeah, facts. Watch I see all the torch I blow.
Yeah, man, we have a ticket to
That
like
out we in a
Real
trouble,
nice
you know.
beer, real nice
Yeah, you hear me?
setting,
If
eh?
that out we in a trouble, you know, so pray no out.
No,
man.
No,
Yes,
you know what I mean? You're not supposed to out. I love that if that burn out,
Ooh.
if that.
We were making champagne popping party.
No matter at least, man.
So, okay, this one.
Baby, you that like that spot that me feel
Me
secluded.
And
That's
we
lovely.
can inhale and exhale properly.
Because you know you have that fresh breeze
Yeah.
just blowing.
Oh, me just see what going on the table though.
I want to allow him to bring the menu out so you can take a selective choice to see what you're having.
Oh,
Tonight
okay.
we wanted to dine from the Japanese menu,
Mm-hmm.
and that's the Mikado. So on it they have some sushis, they have vegetable spring rolls, and they also have a chef special, which is a steak. So the steak done to the temperature you would like to have it, whether well done as a Jamaican or you want to do it rare as American. You choose whatever. They also
Alright.
have steamed fish on it, and they have shrimp. There's a shrimp fillet, what they French fry, deep fry the shrimp in cornflakes, and then they have a butter that they dip it in and French fry, so it's very nice. And save the best for last, they have a dessert which is the fried ice cream. Trust me,
Yo, that's
you
so
should
nice.
definitely try that one. The fried ice cream is the bomb.
Okay.
So definitely you should try it. But the menu have other selective stuff on it that you can definitely look through. You might see something that you interest you to like. But for me, the steamed fish on it is good. The chicken, the Madela chicken breast with mushroom, ooh, it is great. So you have a couple selection of choices that you can choose from.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward for you to enjoy, and we have some nice selective song we're going to sing out for the table and keep the thing rolling.
Okay, we love that.
For you, alright?
Thank
So you do enjoy, and I'll be right back.
Thank you so much, yeah?
It's mine.
Alright. Happy commend them on them customer service. Definitely. So this is the first time we are come over the grand side since today here, because we over the luxury side. So we have dinner over the grand side tonight. So we're waiting for dinner. We're so forward. First time having nothing Japanese. So what you say name? What you say name, Bill? Tempura?
Vegetable spring roll.
No, what the name of it?
I don't remember.
It's more like tempura.
Shrimp, vegetable roll, and
Wait, shrimp?
Premier, call him back.
Well, and shrimp?
Yeah, shrimp in there as well.
Oh God. Alright. You see if I did me make this number that tell us you 2 flitters this time I roll up a festival. Yeah.
Mush me did a listen to him. I know say this a sweet chili sauce.
Yeah, me know that. Alright, so I'm not gonna tell you none lie. The first time I tried and it tastes real good, so when I can get some, is it? You see me? Music I play so I can't do, you know. Okay. So people, this looks spooky though. Yeah.
So guys, Jason and Andrea are at my hotel.
Okay.
So I have to make sure say them start out. So I understand.
Yo, we appreciate it
Them
a
are
lot.
good YouTubers and I've been watching them from ever since. So yeah. And I've just started my journey, so
So well, I know shout out yourself now.
yes.
Shout out yourself now.
So guys, you can check out my channel. It's Life with Janelle. So they will put my link down below, so you can just come over and subscribe. And if you come to my here, you can just check me out. I'm the hostess with the mostest. Yeah.
You hear all of that?
So guys, go over to our YouTube channel and comment underneath our video. I said thank you. Thank you for treating Andrew and Reza special.
Special.
Yeah.
Special.
And for the entire vacation, them govern. No
You
worry
hear that?
yourself.
We're not about to worry again.
Because normally, you know each other would have to go behind. You know one another back and do something nice. Is either me or you. The fact that we can just sit down and just have people treat us special It really feels good.
We're going to have some steak right now.
We tell them so we want it well done. Cause so I'm gonna try it. Jason eat steak before. So
yo, big up Tyrell again, yo people. I'm a server for the night. So people, this is fried ice cream. Broski said only made in Grand Bahia. You know, most want somebody, so no come get some quick. This look nice. I'll test it out.
you first try it, babe. Let me get your reaction.
The ice cream have a little texture like when you eat KFC and you eat the little skin part. Watch it.
Cause it's fried.
What the hell? How the hell is somebody fry ice cream now that I think about it? Alright, now taste some. Hold on, we'll taste some more. Oh.
Nice?
Yeah. This would just be like ice cream when you can chew it.
I smell pistachio. That means that pistachio and vanilla.
Yo, taste damn good.
Just weird.
That's
It's like ice cream and cornflakes.
exactly. So we're up on the beach side right now with the great swimmer, Angel Bobby Ram. Hold on. Come in, babe. You always tell me say you can't swim, you always say the most. Everybody I see you, just do your thing now. Yeah man, show them you think them you know, man. Yeah, go baby, yeah, go. People see you. People see you, baby, remember. Yeah, do what? So right now I'm out on the balcony and I have no underclothes and my rope not tie, so I have to go do this quick and spicy. Thank you so much for the anniversary wishes. We really appreciate it. We love you, from the bottom of our hearts. You have some people who are stick with you from just our relationship until now. We have newcomers, all type of people. But regardless, we love you, we appreciate it. Those who reach up on Insta, YouTube, you know yourself, big up on yourself. And before we end the video, squad!